Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'll be teaching you how to play the tune Fire on the Mountain on the fiddle, so stay tuned. If you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below. And if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I do post videos just like this one along with violin tips each and every week, so consider hitting that red subscribe button below along with the notification bell so that you never miss when I post a new video. As always, the timestamps will be listed below if you'd like to skip around, and if the pacing is a little too slow or too fast for you, you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. And for the extended version of this tutorial where we go beyond the basic melody and I show you how to add in some fun things like double stops and shuffle bowings like in the version that you heard me play just a minute ago, then head on over to Patreon using the link in the description box below. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. So for this tune, we are starting off in the key of A major, and then we switch to D major halfway through, getting into the B part. So it's a little different from what we typically see in these types of fiddle tunes, but hang with me and I'm sure you'll be able to pick up on it in no time. Here is the first phrase of the A part with our A major finger pattern, starting with C sharp on the A string. Okay, ending on a D there on the A string. Now for the second phrase, we're moving up to the E string, starting on an open E. Okay, and so that time we ended with a scale, and I would encourage you to listen for scale patterns. We do have quite a few of them in this tune, and listening for those can really help you to figure out some of these notes if you're having trouble. Now, this third phrase has the same notes as the first phrase, so hopefully you recognize these. So again, ending on a D there, just like we did in the first phrase. The only difference is we didn't have the first two pickup notes. And here is our last phrase of the A part, goes like this. So that is the whole A part, and what we would do here, because the form of this tune is A, A, B, B, we would repeat that whole section, but for now, let's go ahead and practice it by playing it together at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now moving into this B part, as I mentioned, we do have a key change where we're going from A major into D major, but the good news is the finger pattern actually stays the same. So all of the notes that we just played on the A and E strings, we're basically just transferring those to the D and A strings. So you'll recognize the melody, you'll recognize the rhythm. A lot of it is very similar. Yes, the notes are different, but the finger pattern stays the same. And the first phrase of this B part goes like this. Okay, so already you can tell that we're just mimicking the same fingering that we played on the A and E strings, just shifting it down a fifth on the D and A strings. The next phrase starts on open A. Again, we had that little scale pattern. This time we're walking up to G on the D string. And the next phrase starts on open A once again. Okay, and then we move up to open A again for this next phrase. And the ending of this B part is a little different. We're doing a little bit of a callback to the A part where we're going back to the key of A briefly, and the ending starts on C sharp on the A string, and it goes like this. And that is the whole tune. The B section is a little bit longer than the A section, as you may have noticed, but we do repeat just like we did for the A part. So let's go ahead and play this B section together so that you can catch anything that maybe you didn't the first time. 1, 2, 3. Well, congratulations for learning all of Fire on the Mountain with me today. I really hope you enjoyed that one. If you're interested in taking a look at the sheet music for this tune, it is available in my digital sheet music library. The link for that is in the description box below. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you would like to move beyond the melody and incorporate some more fun fiddle techniques and ornaments into this tune, then definitely check out the extended version of this tutorial on Patreon. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy practicing!